Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having Chrysler 300, and if you need to find the fuse for the ignition coil, stay with us. We'll explain where it's located. It doesn't matter if you have a V6, V8 engine, it will work as well. We'll explain why it's super important to test fuses, and we will also explain, guys, something completely different that can cause ignition coils not to work. So make sure to stand till the end, and we will cover very helpful information that can save you quite a bit of time and money. So before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart and we show you how to fix pretty much anything. Why we guys do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. We will have multiple videos on Chrysler 300. We'll be taking them apart. We'll make videos about almost everything you can think of, including mechanical, electrical. You can check our channels for more information as well. And if you need to, guys, buy any parts, tools for a good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from. You can save quite a bit of money. You can find all kind of parts, tools, relays, anything will be listed there. So it doesn't matter again if you have a V6 or V8 engine. We'll be demonstrating on the V6. You can see some of the ignition coils are right here. There are multiple things that can cause ignition coils not to work. Right here we have two things that need to squish towards each other, pull up, flip it on the side, and we'll, guys, have the fuses and relays right here. So which fuses we need to check? Two fuses that we need to check, guys, okay, for ignition coils and that control practically the ignition of your Chrysler 300. So if you look right here now, guys, okay, the fuses that we need to check are number 34. We're talking about that fuse here. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 fuses from right to left, okay, on the third row, top to bottom. So that fuse here. And then you have one more fuse, number 20, that fuse right here. These two fuses, check them, guys, okay? They're for the engine management and ignition coils, very important fuses. We always recommend to test fuses because when you remove them, those are not clear and sometimes you cannot tell if they're burnt or not, so test them. And if you don't know how to test fuses and relays, we'll put links to special videos that will teach you how to do that in the description of the video below, and you can see where you can buy replacement fuses and relays. Also in the description of the video below we'll put the link, and you can save quite a bit of money. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.